Respected HOD, Department of English, Professor S. Rasa Kumar. Respected Dean School of Agriculture, Dr. A. Uday Kumar Sir. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. K. Siva Kumar, Associate Professor, PG and Research Department of English, AVVM Sri Puspam College, Pundi. Respected Madam Sandhya, faculty members, my dear friends, my dear students, very good morning to everybody. First of all, we remember and pray our founder Chancellor Sir, who is the pillar of this institution, and we thank the management for guiding and helping day-to-day activities, and also the organizing committee of English department. I thank for organizing this in well manner, and also conducted many programs among the students, and also they are giving the opportunity to distribute the prizes in this stage for the students. Usually in the English department, they are conducting more activities than the other department. Usually in all the, almost this is my 6 years experience of the Dean of Arts and Science. Nowadays, the activity-oriented education alone will give you the better message for learning purpose. So for example, in English, because this is an English club, instead of telling the direct meaning of the vocabulary word, if we give some example without telling directly the meaning, you can understand the concept. That is, for example, I am having a ring. You imagine I am not having the ring. Anyway, I am having the ring here. I am telling my initial is engraved in the ring. Then you can understand what is engraved. I am not telling directly engraved meaning is this one. Such a way, nowadays in all the subjects, the subject experts are thinking how to introduce the lesson in terms of activity oriented. So in that, the English department has done in a wonderful way. Almost the English is a common language for all departments. We are having the mother tongue. What is our mother tongue? Tamil. But this is the other tongue. Even though mother tongue is better than the other tongue, but nationwide, if you enrich this second language, then only you can survey in the world. So the first qualification for you when you go out, you have to improve the communication skill in the second language of English. Suppose if you travel other states, other nations, the people, those who are talking only their mother tongue, and the second language is English, then you can easily communicate with them, share with them, you can enjoy the other and foreign tours. And also nowadays, in the age of computer, everything is only in the second language English alone. If you go to the net or computer language, anything is essential for learning the communication of English. And also if you are the fluent expert in talking the English, the employers will hire you immediately. If you go to the interview, the first personality development they are taking is what way you are communicate in English. If you talk well pronounced clear manner, then the employees immediately hire you. Such a way we can tell lot of benefits of learning the English and communicating English. In most of the classes, I am going to take the grammar. I think so. How many tenses? Can you please tell me? Give the active, passive, everything you know, but you are not practicing yourself. When I pass the intro to the staffs, they are also not able to talk just 5 minutes, even though they are having a lot of degrees behind them. Say in Tamil, how many letters you name? You compare that with English, very few. But you studied 14, 15 years of English, active, passive, direct, indirect, conversation, etc. But if you want to ask, just come to the stage and talk 5 minutes in English, you hesitate. That means you are not practicing yourself. So this is the time for you. Even though you lost previously, this is the best time for you. First to learn the language and ready to communicate fluently, just a matter of 1 month. In the beginning itself, I requested the English department also, you can teach the lesson second way.